This is the checking video of the second unit of the Daraz order on 6th May 2024 by the same customer. This is the shipping label of the second order. It is ABDULLAH Kneader 3.5 kg latest model AE390. It easily kneads dough within 3 to 5 minutes. This machine has the metal blade installed, and this is the extra plastic blade. Machine is okay from all the sides. This is the back side. This is from the bottom. You can see there are no damages. And now we will start it. The machine has started. This is also called the high top model because of its high top design. After the machine will stop, we will pack it in its genuine carton, and we have added the extra bubble wrap at the bottom, and then this is the thermopore piece at the bottom, then the thermopore piece at the top for safe packaging. We also apply fragile stickers on the package. The machine will automatically stop. There you can see the machine has stopped when the timer comes to the off position, and now we will pack it for Daraz as it is perfectly okay. The instruction manual will inform you how to start the machine and what precautions to take. You should wash the steel bowl thoroughly before first use and then after every use. We hope you like these machines. We are Orion Engineering Company, Karachi. These videos will be uploaded on our YouTube channel, which is Orion Engineering Company.